everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We are talking about Imbewu the seed, guys, as we are bidding farewell to Zethu's amazing character. Many of us have been asking ourselves what will happen next. Well guys, Imbewu is taking an unexpected turn to complete MaZulu and Menzi's storyline that was left hanging a long time ago. As we all know that they got engaged a month after MaZulu lost her husband Ngolosi in 2019. We've been asking ourselves about Menzi's intention of marrying MaZulu, and guys, it's time to find out. Culturally, MaZulu was supposed to marry Ngolosi's brother Phakade and she refused, but it seems as if she's having a second thought, looking at what is at stake if she leaves the Bengu family and all the benefit that comes with being a Bengu. According to TV Plus magazine, Menzi will take a step to surprise MaZulu. He would plan their wedding alone, checking the venues, wedding dress, catering, and MaZulu would show excitement when she find out what her men have been doing. On a wedding day, MaZulu would think twice and not pitch to her wedding. MaZulu's action will loosen up the monster in hiding. Menzi, the monster, revealed that he hates disappointment. There's going to be a hell to pay. Oblivious MaZulu will try to move on with her life and think she could even help Menzi to find someone new, but sengazuthi girl uhambe wrong, guys. It's time to meet his dangerous fiance, who his first wife ended in psychiatric hospital. He will leave no stone unturned when he pays his revenge to MaZulu. Menzi added by saying MaZulu must start beefing up her security system and protect herself even more because she's about to see Menzi's true colors. More drama is about to unfold. Stay tuned and don't miss Imbewu's episode. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.